Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Which of the following statements about RIN mutiny is not correct? Whether it is a socialist like Aruna Asaf Ali sympathized uh, with the rebels. The second option is Gandhiji condemned the violence. The third option is Sardar Patel persuaded the rating to surrender all, and lastly, the mutiny started in Calcutta. So here we just not only give you the right answer, but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the solution. The Royal Indian Navy revolt, also called the Royal Indian Navy Mutiny or Bombay Mutiny. Royal Indian Navy Mutiny or Bombay Mutiny encompasses a total strike and subsequent revolt by Indian sailors of the Royal Indian Navy on board ship. And shore establishments at Bombay or Mumbai. Bombay Harbour on 18th February 1946. Thus, the last statement is not correct regarding the Royal Indian Navy mutiny. Okay. Therefore, option 4 is the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all. Thank you very much.